In this presentation, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure. We'll be exploring the science of resilience and well-being. We live in a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, so it's important for us to understand how resilience and well-being are interconnected and can profoundly impact our lives. Resilience is our ability to bounce back from adversity, while well-being encompasses our physical, emotional, and mental state of being. So we'll take a look now at the connection that makes resilience a major part of having a more positive, balanced well-being for ourselves. To begin, let's define resilience and well-being. Resilience, as we have mentioned, is our ability to bounce back from adversity. This ensures that we're able to adapt positively in the face of stress, significant life changes, and everything in between. Well-being refers to our overall state of health and happiness, encompassing physical, emotional, and psychological aspects of our lives. Research has shown that resilience and well-being are not isolated concepts, but intricately interconnected. So let's discuss the science behind resilience with the following points. So first, let's talk about neuroplasticity. This is a key factor in resilience as it provides the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself. It allows the brain to form new neural connections and pathways in response to experiences and learning. You can cultivate positive habits and thought patterns in order to strengthen resilience and adaptability. Stress hormones. When faced with stress, our bodies release hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. Resilient individuals exhibit a more balanced stress response, enabling them to recover faster from challenging situations. Coping mechanism. Resilience involves effective coping mechanisms to manage stress and emotions. These mechanisms vary among individuals and may include problem-solving skills, seeking social support, or engaging in mindfulness practices. Now, to build resilience for enhanced well-being, we need to do a combination of the following. First, we cultivate a growth mindset. You want to embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and believe in your ability to learn and improve. Next, you want to develop social connections. Build strong support networks with friends, family, or colleagues, as social support is essential for resilience. Finally, it's important to practice self-compassion. You want to be kind to yourself and treat yourself with the same understanding and support you would offer a friend facing a difficult time, whenever that may be. So how do we promote a better well-being through resilience? To begin, we practice mindfulness and meditation to help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and promote overall well-being. Next, physical activity is essential. Regular exercise releases endorphins and reduces stress. This will benefit both resilience and your overall well-being. It is recommended that you work out 30 minutes per day, 5 times per week. You don't have to go all out here. It can be light to moderate intensity exercises. Do them on a regular basis at a period of time you've carved out and get it done. And last but not least, we also recommend you improve your emotional intelligence. This will help you better understand and manage your emotions, fostering a more positive mental state. This will wrap up this presentation of exploring the science of resilience and well-being. We hope this has been helpful for you. It's important that we put these two together in order to live a better, fulfilling life. On top of that, it will allow you to deal with setbacks easily while being able to press on and achieve your goals. With that said, we appreciate you for checking this out. We'll see you next time.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.